I'm stepping out now. It's sunny, so I already moisturized my face. I already used my eye cream. And let me just grab those. And this is the eye cream I use. It's Pixie eye cream. So I'm gonna go in first with my sunscreen. Baby girl is on top of our skincare, and as much as this sunscreen is good, it leaves the white particles, as you can see that. But you guys, I love this as a base for my makeup. This is really a good one, so because of that I can't throw it away. I love it. If I was going to make up now and apply my makeup on it, oh my god, I love the way it stays on my face. I noticed that like some weeks ago, like after I used it, I was like, oh, this my makeup looks so different. Then I tried making up without it. I noticed the difference. So then I realized that okay, this is a good base for makeup. So because I'm going out now, I'm going to be going into the sun. I'm supposed to apply it on my hand and all of that, but maybe I should just do that. I hardly do that because I don't really like that. And actually because I'm wearing, you guys know the weather is getting better, so that's why I've not been wearing sleeveless all along. So I think that's the reason I haven't been doing that. So this is done. My sunscreen is up now. If you're not using sunscreen, please start using sunscreen. It's very important, you guys. I know about this, but I never cared. But now I care so much. So make sure you're using your sunscreen. And I'm going in with the facial mist. See the glow. So this helps leave my skin hydrated, moisturized, and looking glowy.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another vlog. How you guys doing? It's windy, so I hope you guys are gonna hear me properly. Anyways, I just got my hair braided. I got cornrows, so my curls only stayed for 2 days, you guys. I only had the curls on my hair for like 2 days. It lasted 2 days, and that's because I really don't know how to maintain curls. So somebody else might do better than I did. Oh god, there's a music going on here, so I have to keep mute. So I'm back home. I couldn't afford to keep vlogging because I don't want any copyright claim on my videos. I've had enough copyright claim on my videos. No, I don't want any more copyright claims, so I had to stop vlogging. Anyways, I'm back home. Today's Tuesday, and I have a few things to do on my to-do list, though I still have to check that list. So yesterday, I created my schedule for the week, for the month, actually, but I built more on the week, like this week. So I'm going to work on the coming weeks, and especially on my videos that are supposed to go out. Today is Tuesday, and actually I'm supposed to post today. But looking at my schedule with what I did yesterday, I don't think that will be possible because I want to do a sit-down video, and I have not really put words together on that. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to film that. That is on my to-do list, but asterisk, like if possible, but if not possible, I don't know. So, and this vlog is supposed to go out on Sunday. So yeah. So today is Tuesday, like I said, I have a few things to do on my to-do list. I'm going to be cleaning, which is the major thing for me to do today. And please, if you're watching me, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, share this video, and leave a comment. Yeah, also leave a comment. That's my phone notification. And also please do follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate you all. I appreciate your love. I really appreciate your engagement on my Insta stories. Like this morning, I already posted a video of me showing my hair, talking about the curls, losing the curls, and also asking questions about what they think I'm going to be doing. So you guys, my stories are kind of lively, so you want to follow me there. You want to know the real time, the real time when things are happening on my Instagram. So you'll know that if you follow me on Instagram. at the beginning of the month, I like to plan my month ahead, plan my week. Like I plan the whole month and also plan it weekly by weekly and also plan day by day. This helps me know what I have in stock for myself for the month, help me to set goals, and help me to know how I'm gonna work towards my goals. Some of it are just house chores, how to clean the house, and you know, just balance life as an entrepreneur, a content creator, a wife, a mother, a worker, everything basically. It's just to help me balance my life so I'm not overwhelmed and I'm not lacking behind in one area or the other. Though sometimes I don't fulfill everything, but at least I have like a plan, something I'm working with, so that way my head is not spinning every day and I'm not somewhere remembering that, oh, I didn't do this, I didn't do that.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know.
I don't know about that. You want to ask him. My kids are back from school and I had to stop the oven from self-cleaning itself, as the fumes that comes out from it is very dangerous, very hazardous. So that's why I left all the house doors and windows open everywhere. It's so chilly. So I'm done with the kitchen area and I'm going to the living room area now.
Which is only 10 steps away.
You have to say which is only 10 steps away.
No.
You're right. 10 steps. Oh yeah, count your steps. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May 3rd, Tuesday.
Okay, let me sign.
I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry?
I don't think my mind
Do you want
wants food.
Do you want sandwich? I made you
Give me
sandwich.
the sandwich, please.
Get it from the
How
fridge.
do you make your...
Angel, what's this? Angel, come and take this away. Is the rain just supposed to be there?
No,
Is it
why
not
is that
past Christmas?
decoration? Don't you know we've had that thing here for 2 years? Don't ask why.
I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Darling, where you going? It won't be as simple for you. If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind? Follow all the leading signs. When the dark is growing and the light is closing in, darling, where you going? Won't be as simple for you.
I have the mayor of Halifax in my house. I am so blessed to know the mayor one-on-one, sitting on my dining table.
The future mayor, actually. before the mayor comes in.
I'm telling you, say somebody is impersonating me somewhere in that month.
Whether they help himself.
Oh my God! I bet. Oh my God! I bet. Bring my spoon. We can maybe now.
You're waiting.
My spoon. Put on here. I don't just enter YouTube like that. Look at me with my spoon. Oh my God! The mayor has been embarrassed.
See the future mayor. Oh.
The future mayor has been embarrassed. Oh my God!
You know,
I
say.
don't know if it's fish or meat. I'm even eating, you know. But it tastes delicious.
Oh no, this guy told me say, because this I say I've eaten. Say don't bother about it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I found.
What have you? Don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm going to sleep.
I ain't gonna call this guy one.
You're backing your friends. They're watching you. You're backing them. That's nice. That's very
Yes,
nice.
you can have one. Take one, please.
Yeah, that's what we're calling you guys.
Chidin Malkobi.
I like that you told. That's good.
And this is hot
like it?
dog.
Okay. So this is the most interesting part. After you finish cooking, everyone is enjoying, then you need to clean up. So usually Obi helps out, and we also get the kids involved, like put dishes in the dishwasher, clear the dirt, and we just all do it together. And basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you do, please
leave a comment and also smash that like button like right away. Please do that, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. I'll see you guys some other time. Thank you guys for your usual support. I really do appreciate you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Love you and stay blessed. Bye.